So I've been running part of my backend automation with N8N for the last 8 months. And here's what I'll say. If you're tech savvy and want full control, it's a beast. But if you expect plug and play like Zapier, this isn't it. In this honest review, I'll break down what makes N8N powerful and when it might actually slow you down. N8N, short for Nodemation, is a node-based workflow automation platform. Think of it like Make or Zapier, but open source and extremely customizable. You can use it to connect apps and APIs, automate repetitive tasks, build internal tools, trigger workflows from events, webhooks, or schedules. It's used by devs, SaaS teams, and privacy-first companies around the world. The interface is clean and node-based, like a visual canvas. Each node represents a step in your automation. Pros: visual, flexible editor, real-time execution log, modular, no hard coding required. But here's the thing, it's not beginner-friendly. You'll need to understand data structures and API logic. If that sounds exciting, N8N is for you. If it sounds stressful, skip it. N8N supports hundreds of native integrations, and because it's open source, you can build your own or use community nodes. Highlights: supports code nodes for JavaScript, TypeScript, HTTP request module for any API, webhooks, triggers, polling, queues, it's all there. Want to scrape websites, auto-update Notion, parse emails? You can do it all. One of N8N's biggest strengths is that you can self-host it for free. Why it matters: you own your data, no rate limits, except your server capacity, custom security setups. Or you can go with their cloud plan if you want less setup. Self-hosted, free forever, cloud-hosted. Starts at $20 a month with scalable plans. Compared to Zapier or Make, N8N offers way more for less, especially at scale. Drawbacks and limitations: steep learning curve, hosting setup takes time, Docker, databases, etc. Documentation still improving, though community is strong. Debugging complex flows can be tricky. If you're not used to self-hosting or back-end work, the setup may frustrate you. Best use cases N8N shines in: SaaS ops automations, custom data pipelines, privacy-first workflows, API integration projects. Basically, if you want to automate beyond what no-code tools offer, N8N is your playground. Who should use N8N? Ideal for developers, advanced makers and hackers, privacy-focused teams, tech founders. Not ideal for automation beginners, non-tech teams who want plug and play. If you're tired of hitting limits on tools like Zapier or Make, or you want to host your own automations, N8N is a serious contender in 2025. It's not for everyone, but for the right user, it's incredibly powerful. For me, N8N is my go-to when Make or Zapier can't handle something complex or privacy sensitive. Have you tried N8N? Drop a comment below with your favorite use case or automation tip. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.